What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today the 20 centimes coin from France, minted in 1976, is a small emblematic piece of French numismatic history, bearing the national motto, liberté, égalité, fraternité, and the familiar sour la smooth motif. The coin reflect not only France's economic strategy in the post-war 20th century, but also its dedication to cultural symbolism and republican values. This narrative explores the coin's historical context, design origins, minting process, economic significance, and cultural relevance during the era. Origins and historical context. The French monetary system has undergone several transformations throughout its history, from the livre tournois of the Middle Ages to the franc and finally the euro. The 20 centimes denomination was officially introduced under the decimal system established during the French Revolution. However, the version that include the 1976 coin is a product of the Fifth Republic's mid-20th century coinage reforms. After World War II, France faced inflation and economic instability. To adapt to changing economic realities, French currency denominations were regularly updated. By the 1960s and the 1970s, coin centimes were still actively used, with the franc subdivided into 100 centimes. The 20 centimes coin served as a small but essential unit of commerce, facilitating minor transactions in daily life. The Fifth Republic and numismatic reforms. The French Fifth Republic was established in 1958 under Charles de Gaulle. The economic strategy of this period focused on modernization and stability. A part of this policy, the French Mint Monnaie de Paris revised and restructured coinage. Between the 1960s and the 1980s, efforts were made to standardize and improve the aesthetic and technical quality of coin. In 1962, a new series of coins was introduced, designed by Oscar Roty and other prominent French engravers. Among these was the 20 centimes coin, which would be issued for many years with minor design and minting updates, including the 1976 edition. The sour, a symbol with deep artistic and political meaning, was revived from early 20th century design to convey unity, peace, and hope. Design and symbolism. The 20 centimes coin of 1976 features a striking blend of artistic design and national identity. The obverse showcases the iconic figure of la semeuse de sour, a symbol of Republican agriculture and French renewal. The reverse carry the denomination, Year of Minting, and the powerful motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité. Obverse. La semeuse de sour design was originally created by Oscar Roty in 1897 for silver coin. It depicts a young woman sowing seeds in a radiant field, symbolizing both literal agriculture and metaphorical cultivation of Republican values. Her pose, mid-step with her hand scattering seeds and the sun rising behind her, communicate progress and future prosperity. The 20th century, this figure was adopted and adapted for centimes and francs, appearing consistently across various denominations. For the 20 centimes coin, Roty's design was slightly modified to suit the reduced scale of the coin while preserving its clarity and symbolism. Reverse, national motto and value. The reverse features the denomination, 20 centimes, encircled by a laurel branch and an ear of wheat, symbol of honor and agriculture. Above the value is inscribed the motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, the guiding principles of the French Republic since the Revolution of 1789. Below the value is the date, 1976, along with mint marks indicating where the coin was struck. This combination of symbols reinforces the balance between rural roots and national pride, democracy, and civic unity. Specification and minting. The 1976 French 20 centimes coin was part of a long-running issue, minted consistently from 1962 until the late 1990s before the euro replaced the franc. Coin specifications are as follows. Composition. Aluminum bronze 92% copper, 6% aluminum, 2% nickel diameter, 23,5 mm thickness, 1,4 mm weight, 4,5 grams edge, smooth minting authority. Monnaie de Paris. Paris Mint. The use of aluminum bronze was chosen for its durability and bright, golden color, which distinguished the coin from lower denomination. Relatively lightweight nature of the metal also allowed for practical handling and circulation. 1976 in France. The political and social climate. The year 1976 was a time of transition in France. President Valéry Giscard d'Estaing was midway through his term 1974 à 1981, focusing on modernization and liberalization. His administration promoted technological advancement, social reforms, and European integration. Economically, France was dealing with the after-effect of the 1973 oil crisis, which led to inflation and slower growth. Amidst this backdrop, coins like the 20 centimes served as accessible instrument of commerce, vital to everyday purchase such as newspapers, bread, eau. The 10 centimes coin of France minted in 1988 is a fascinating piece of modern French numismatic. Though modest in face value, this coin represents more than just currency. It symbolizes the enduring ideals of the French Republic. Liberté, égalité, fraternité, liberty, equality, fraternity. A part of the French franc currency system before the euro, it holds sentimental, historical, and collectible value today. This script explores the monetary, collector, and symbolic worth of this 1988 coin, analyzing the factors that influence its market value and desirability. Coin spécification. To understand the value of the 1988 10 centimes coin, one must first consider its physical and technical characteristics. Country. France. Year of issue. 1988. Face value. 10 centimes 0. 10 francs. Currency system. French franc PR euro ERA métal composition. Aluminium bronze 92% copper, 6% aluminum, 2% nick weight, approximately 4 grams diameter. 20 mm edge, smooth obverse. Marianne, symbol of the French Republic, wearing a Phrygian cap reverse. Denomination and date surrounded by olive and oak branch, and the motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, engraveur. Oscar Roti, initial design, adapted over time. This coin belongs to the series of small denomination French coin that circulated extensively before the euro was introduced in 2002. Historical and cultural context. France's monetary system in 1988 was still firmly rooted in the franc, which had been in use since the 18th century. By this time, the country had undergone several monetary reforms, but the ideals of the Republic remained central to its coinage. The 10 centimes coin served a functional role in everyday transactions such as buying newspapers, candies, or public fund usage. The year 1988 marked the first term of President François Mitterrand's second tenure. Politically and socially, France was evolving, facing European integration talks and beginning preparation for the euro. Despite its small size, the coin is a relic from an era just before one of the biggest monetary transformations in French history. Circulation and mintage. Figure. A coin's value is often closely tied to its mintage. How many were produced? The 1988 issue of the 10 centimes coin had a high mintage. Estimated mintage. Over 145 million pieces. Such high mintage numbers suggest that the coin was intended for widespread circulation. As a result, it is not considered rare in the numismatic community. However, the condition of a coin, its packaging, if uncirculated or mint, and demand among collectors can influence the market value even for common coin. Market value in circulated condition. In circulated condition, the 1988 10 centimes coin is relatively common. Most pieces found in circulation today will show signs of wear, dull surface, minor scratch, or discoloration due to oxidation over time. Average circulated value 2024 estimate 0,05 € to 0,15 € UR, $0.05 to $0.20 USD, 15 roupies pakistanaises to 60 roupies pakistanaises Pakistani rupees, depending on demand. This price reflects the coin's value as a historical keepsake or a part of a bulk coin collection. It does not have numismatic rarity but may still be sought after by those completing set or interested in PR euro French coinage. Market value in uncirculated or mint condition. Uncirculated UNC or brilliant uncirculated BU. Examples of the 1988 10 centimes coin are more desirable and valuable. Coin preserved in near perfect state often come from hoards or were taken out of circulation early. Uncirculated value 0,50 € to 1,50 € UR, $0.60 to $2 USD PKR 150 to 500 roupies pakistanaises Pakistani rupees. Proof set or coin kept in original mint packaging with no visible signs of wear may fetch even more depending on the platform of sale. eBay, collector forum, auctions. Factors influencing value. Several factors determine the value of a coin like the 1988 10 centimes condition. Grade. The grading scale range from poor P to mint state MS. A coin in very thin VF condition might only be worth a few cents, whereas one in MS 65 plus can be worth several euros. Rarity. Although the 1988 version is not rare by mintage, finding a well-preserved piece is less common now that the euro has replaced the franc. The demand for PR euro coin remains steady among collectors of European and world coin. Franc coins are particularly valued by French nationals or francophiles. Historical appel de liberté, égalité, fraternité, motto has universal philosophical significance. This makes the coin attractive not just for its monetary value but also for its ideological symbolism. Platform of sale value can differ depending on where the coin is sold. Online auctions. eBay, Delcamp. Competitive bidding can raise prices. Coin dealers may offer conservative prices. Collector forum. Values fluctuate based on interest. Local market. Pricing can be inconsistent. The 5 centimes coin minted in 1985 stands as a modest yet meaningful piece of France's extensive numismatic history. Bearing the national motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, Liberty, Equality, Fraternity, this small brass coin encapsulates the political ideals and artistic legacy of the Fifth Republic. Though it may appear diminutive in both size and value, the coin is a historical artifact representing over 2 centuries of French republicanism, modern minting practice, and a reflection of the daily lives of millions of French citizens in the late 20th century. This script explores the history, design, economic context, production details, symbolism, circulation, and numismatic relevance of the 1985 French 5 centimes coin. It seeks to offer an in-depth look into how such a small denomination fits into the broader spectrum of French identity and currency evolution. Historical context and origins of the coin de 5 centimes coin has deep roots in French monetary tradition, dating back to the revolutionary reforms of the late 18th century. In 1795, under the First Republic, the franc was established as the national currency, divided into 100 centimes. The introduction of decimal currency was both a radical and practical shift that mirrored the rationalism of the Enlightenment. By the mid-20th century, France had undergone a series of regime change, from monarchy to republic to empire and back again. Each regime brought with it shifts in currency design, policy, and denomination. The modern 5 centimes coin that circulated in 1985 was part of the post-World War II economic restructuring and modernization of the French franc under the Fifth Republic, which began in 1958. Following Charles de Gaulle's leadership and the founding of the Fifth Republic, the need to stabilize and simplify the currency led to the introduction of new coinage. The 5 centimes piece was introduced in 1960 alongside the nouveau franc, new franc, which replaced the old franc at a ratio of 100:1. The coin from this period, including the 1985 issue, were designed to symbolize the rebirth of French stability and confidence. Design and symbolism de 1985 French 5 centimes coin retained the standard design used across multiple years from 1960 onward. The obverse side of the coin was designed by the renowned engraver Oscar Roti, who is also known for the iconic image of Marianne used on many French stamps and coins. Obverse front. The obverse of the coin features a depiction of Marianne, the personification of the French Republic, facing right. Her hair flows freely, symbolizing liberty. The image of Marianne has appeared on French currency since the French Revolution, and she continued to represent the state's commitment to democratic ideals. Around the portrait is inscribed, République Française, French Republic reverse back. The reverse displays the coin's denomination, 5 centimes, prominently at the center, encircled by a wreath of wheat ears and olive branch. Above the denomination is the national motto, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, and below is the year of mintage, 1985. The wheat and olive branch symbolize productivity and peace, reinforcing values central to the post-war rebuilding. The coin's imagery is simple yet laden with symbolism, liberty, peace, fraternity, and agricultural abundance, all of which reflect the ideals of the modern French state. Physical characteristics. The 5 centimes coin minted in 1985 was produced using contemporary minting technique that allowed for high volume, durable production. The physical features of the coin were engineered for mass circulation. Composition. The coin was made of aluminum bronze, a metal alloy that include copper, aluminum, and sometimes nickel. This composition gave the coin a golden appearance and strong durability while remaining cost-effective. Weight, approximately 3 grams. Diameter, 19 mm. Thickness, about 1,17 mm. Edge. The edge of the coin was smooth, a characteristic common among low denomination coin to simplify production. These specifications made the 5 centimes coin both easy to carry and resistant to wear and corrosion, essential très fort à coin designed for daily transactions. Minting and production. In 1985 the 5 centimes coin of 1985 was struck at the Monnaie de Paris, Paris Mint, one of the world's oldest continually operating mints, established in 1864 AD. In 1985, the mint employed modern coining press and quality control systems, allowing for efficient production of coin for circulation. While exact mintage numbers for each year can vary in source, estimates suggest that several million 5 centimes coins were produced in 1985. As inflation diminished the purchasing power of lower denomination, mintage began to decline in the 1980s. The 5 centimes coin was nearing the end of its practical life, economic shifts and rising prices made it